Hey everyone! In this video I will walk you through how to use Suno AI, an amazing online tool for creating music with vocals in seconds. We will go step by step using the version 3.5 from generating your first track all the way to managing your music library. And at the end I will also show you what cool features are coming in version 4.5. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is Suno AI and why should you care? Suno is a web-based platform where you can generate a complete song, lyrics, vocals, and instrumental just by typing your idea. And the best part, it takes about 30 seconds. That's it. For example, you could write an emotional pop ballad about friendship, and Suno will write the lyrics, compose the music, and even sing the song for you. Isn't it amazing? It's a perfect tool for video creators, podcasters, game developers, or really anyone who needs original music fast, without needing any plugin or DAWs like VST.
We built a castle from sand and stone. In the wildest winds we made it our own. Through stormy
When you
skies.
land on the Suno website, you will see a clean, simple interface. On the left, there is a navigation menu. At the top, you can see a logo, account button, and settings. And right in the center, that's where the magic happens. This is the Create tab, where you generate new songs. Underneath it, you'll see a button for library. There all your tracks are saved. There are also tabs for Explore and Feed. I'll explain those in just a bit. Alright, let's create a song. Click on the Create tab. You'll see two generation modes. Fast mode when you need just type your prompt. Let's try. For example, a funky track about coffee and Monday blues. Click create, wait a little bit, and in about 20-30 seconds, boom, your song is ready. Let's give it a quick listen.
Woke up slow, the sun ain't bright. Ooh, yeah. Monday's got me feeling like a fight. Caffeine dreams in my coffee mug. Got a case of the blues, need that jittery hug. Oh,
Pretty cool, right? The second option is custom mood. Here you can choose the genre, language, and mood of your track. This one's great if you want more control over how the music turns out. But it works just as fast. So once your track is ready, you will see a track card with a cover art, title, a play button, and a more. Those three, that's button. Clicking more lets you download the song, view the lyrics, like it, or add it to your collection. Important thing, in the 3 version, you can only download the full song. To download vocals and instrumental separately, you will need a paid plan. So next up, the library tab. This is where all your generated tracks are stored. You can sort them by date, likes, or genre, rename them or delete them. Super simple and very intuitive. So now let's check it out, the feed tab. Here you can discover songs created by other users. You can like them, you can leave the comment, or just get inspired. And you can see how many of them here. You will definitely find something for your soul. Okay, and the Explore tab is a goldmine. If you don't know what prompt to type, it's a curated collection of top tracks by genre. There are a lot of them, so take your time and dig in. You are guaranteed to find something inspiring.
Je suis libre, je suis moi. Je suis.
Now a quick note on the free version. In 3-pay plan, you'll get 10 song generations per day. That's usually more than enough to experiment, but you cannot download vocals and instrumentals separately. There are no cover versions, and you won't get access to the newest features from version 4.5. Still, for a free tool, it's one of the most powerful and accessible out there. Let me show you some real examples. Let's try a sad song in the style of the Weekend about heartbreak. Now we should wait 15-20 seconds, something. See, maybe we'll do faster. Okay, let's check it out.
Heavy shadow coiled in my spine. She left me bleeding and craving the divine. A phantom in my bed, her scent still haunting you. Words we never meant, lies tangled everywhere. Cold nights, drowning in these city lights. A ghost keeps whispering in my shattered sights. The beat of
So sad. Okay, the another one. Let's try something fun. A fun song about a robot that loves coffee. Yeah, should be something very fun. Okay, here we go.
Metal fingers clutch them up tight. Circuit mind buzzing day and night. Steam clouds rise like a robot dream. Coffee oils fuel the steel machine. Sparks fly out with
Pretty cool, right? Let me know in your comments what you think about it. Honestly, not bad at all, especially for something generated in 30 seconds. Also, you can view the lyrics right next to the song and even sing along. Experimenting with different ideas and genres is one of the most exciting parts of using Suno. And once you find your style, it gets even more fun. Now, before we wrap up, here's a quick teaser of what's coming in Suno AI 4.5, the premium version. You will be able to make cover versions of famous songs. Next, there's a new extend feature. You can lengthen a song you like. Also, you can choose vocal styles or even upload your own voice. That's cool. And there is much better sound quality overall. But don't worry, I'll be doing a full deep dive on version 4.5 in the next video. So if you're curious about those features, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. That's it for today. Suno AI 3.5 is a simple but surprisingly powerful way to make music, even if you have zero musical background. And best of all, it's totally free. Drop your favorite prompts in the comments below. I would like to see what ideas you come up with, and maybe I'll turn some of them into a video in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.
shadow coiled in my spine. She left me bleeding, craving the